NOVENCO has been international since the early beginning, in marine and offshore and in different applications on land. We have produced fans since 1947. We have delivered fans, of course, in Denmark, in Europe, for power stations in Norway, for hospitals in Denmark, the world's highest building in Dubai, slaughteries in Mexico, you can name it. So we have a lot of experience from all over the world delivering fans. It's rather easy to retrofit a fan. You dismantle the old fan, take the fan out of the air handling unit, prepare for installation of the new fan, maybe with the brackets and connection to the duct system, and it can take you maybe half a day. The retrofit will result in a huge energy saving for the customer. We saw, for instance, the Keppel Bay Tower in Singapore, where we promised 25% saving, and in fact they saved 45% in the whole building. The new requirements from the government, whether it's in Denmark or abroad, are creating a lot of new inquiries for NOVENCO, because it is a must to reduce CO2 emission. It is a must to save energy. The ROI, or return of investment, is normally 2 to 3 years, depending on the workload. If we have a system working 24/7, we can normally promise down to 2 to 3 years, and in some cases maybe down to 1 year. Based on the experience we have gained through the last approximately 75 years, we can supply solutions for both new buildings and existing buildings.